Alright, so this is going to be a full self-driving beta test, version 11.4.9 in somewhat heavy rain. Let's go ahead and get this thing set up. Alright, so here you can see, we're going to let it go. Oh, I do need to set an address, so we'll do this. There we go. And let's see if it can handle this. Okay, it tells me to pay attention. Did it get so sensitive it even sees that and gets mad at me?
North Blaney Avenue.
Let's see. No, it's doing fine. Okay. So, it's going to go on its own. Good. Okay. Alright. I don't know if that initial please pay attention was just when you start up autopilot. Okay, it's saying it may be degraded because of poor weather. I'm going to turn this off. I think someone said you can now turn off the wipers even with full self-driving on. So yes, you can. Alright. You can see it's driving perfectly fine on its own. Okay, you can see where my feet are, hopefully. So I just have my foot over the pedal getting ready in case I need to press anything. And look, it can drive perfectly fine even though I let the rain completely cover the windshield. Okay, it still sees the stop sign. So even though you can't really see too well out the windshield, it can still drive. Oh, I don't like these hard stops it does. I'll turn it back to auto so you can kind of see. But look, it goes too crazy. I'm gonna set it to 3. Alright. You can see it's driving perfectly fine on its own. My hand is actually over here. I don't know, you can't really see it, but it's on the left side of the steering wheel.
Now turn right onto East Homestead Road.
Maybe I should turn it more to the left a little bit so you can see my hand. There you go. Okay, so you can see it's going all on its own. Nice big visualization lets you see what the car sees. So if something is missing or wrong, then you can kind of see it. Okay, you can see it detects the color of the lights. Change it to a 2. It's going on its own. It's accelerating pretty slow. I don't know how they program it to detect how fast on auto mode. So if I put auto, let's see. Okay, it's running at about the 3 right now. Okay, now it's at the 2. It should start speeding up soon if it detects the rain properly. Okay, it's speeding up. That's good. now the auto windshield wiper is working a lot better than before. Oh, now it's going crazy. Let's see if it slows back down, or if it's going to just keep going crazy on its own. Interesting. So yeah, I don't know, it's going at its crazy, like, that's like the fastest speed, and as we slow down, it's slowing down the wiping speed. Interesting. Auto's working a lot better than it used to. Looks like it's working well. So we slowed down and stopped, and the windshield wipers slowed down. That's nice, actually, because you don't really need the windshield wipers when you're not really going anywhere. It's doing pretty well. Apply slight turning force, it says. Okay, because I'm like leaving my hand down here. If you like leave your hand here and your weight is kind of resting, the weight of your arm is resting on it, then it will kind of like maintain itself. It won't bother you about putting weight on the steering wheel. And it's complaining about the weather again. I mean, the weather's not that bad, so. Why does it need to keep alerting? I got it. I got you the first time. Go away. You can hide the message, but oh, okay, it's probably gonna go again in a few seconds. God.
Now turn left onto Lawrence Expressway.
It's doing well on its own. Go. Oh, what is it doing? Look at it switching all over lanes. What is going on here? Now it's switching over to the carpool lane, and it did that in the middle of an intersection. That's not supposed to happen.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Binh Street.
Alright, so there's not really much else. We're just going on this main street. We'll wait till it turns into this street. Whoa.
Now turn right onto Binh
So it saw that person, and then it went out to the right, and then I pulled it back in because that person was far away. So, yeah. There we go. And also, if I pull it once, you can see it re-enables. Let's see what happens now. We have a yield. There's no car, so we can go. I'm gonna push it because it's taking too long. Now it should turn left.
Now turn left onto Flora Vista
I'm
Avenue.
gonna go. It was. Okay. It's doing weird
now
stuff.
turn left onto
Alright, that's it.
Altamira
I'll see you
Drive.
guys later. Bye.